Rescue operations are still underway in northwest Pakistan after devastating flash floods hit the area a few days ago.
In Sindh, Pakistan, the floodwaters came without mercy. Homes were washed away. Fields turned into rivers. Families were left in despair, children crying in hunger, parents with nothing to provide. Life was shattered, and hope seemed far away. But in the midst of this tragedy, Harvest Hands Ministries Pakistan emerged as a beacon of hope. We went to the flood-affected areas where families were waiting for relief, bringing with us not only food, but the love of Jesus Christ. Even in bad weather, with warnings all around, we carried out the mission. Ration packages and flour bags were distributed in the storm because love cannot wait for the skies to clear. With Christ in our hearts, we pressed forward, determined to bring relief. As families received these packages, their burdens grew lighter. Every sack of flour, every ration bag, brought not only food, but also love, care, and hope. Many families were strengthened, and their hearts were lifted with gratitude. We are thankful to our brothers and sisters whose prayers and support made this possible. Together, we carried light into darkness and hope into despair. Harvest Hands Ministries Pakistan will continue to serve, to bring relief where there is suffering, and to shine the light of Christ where darkness has fallen. Even when storms surround us, the hope of Jesus can never be washed away.